Alright, so continuation of 4.2. Here on this page is the rational expression and a rational function definition. So it's an expression that can be expressed as a ratio of two polynomials. So you basically have two equations combined. One's in the numerator and one's in the denominator, and we can't have it equal to 0. Rational function is a function defined by the same case. So we have expressions that don't have equal signs, and rational functions that do. And so let's take a look at how do you find the asymptotes. And in this case, let's look at the vertical asymptotes. So what are the vertical asymptotes for this particular equation? The 3x minus 2 all divided by x squared plus 7x plus 12. So let's take a look at that, only looking at vertical asymptotes. Okay, so this is all about finding vertical asymptotes. So finding vertical asymptotes. Okay, and so the equation that they give us in the book is f of x equal to 3x squared. Oops, daisy, sorry about that. So 3x minus 2 all divided by x squared plus 7x plus 12. And a good clue to put in your notes is that vertical asymptotes are found in the denominators. Okay, that's where you look. You're always looking down here for the vertical asymptote. So looking at it, because I've done this a few times, I know that I probably need to break this down. So I'm going to see if I can do any factoring here. Like I know the x squared is x times x, and 12, there's a couple of them. 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. But when we add these together, this is 13, this is 8, and this is 7. This is the only one that will work, because that's what I want, is the 7. So I'm going to do that. So plus 3 plus 4. So now I can analyze. I can see this piece right here. If I set it equal to 0, then x would be negative 3. So I couldn't have negative 3 in the denominator, because this would all go to 0, which makes it undefined. The same thing goes for this one. If I set that one to 0 and solved it, I get negative 4. And so again, I can't have x equal to negative 4, or I'll get a 0 here, which will make the denominator 0, and that would make it undefined. So that would be undefined, and so I don't want that. So this would be undefined if I use these two numbers. So this tells me my vertical asymptotes. So I have one at vertical asymptote that would be at negative 3, and then the other one would be x equal to negative 4. And so this is how I find my vertical asymptotes, is this way. When we get something that is, we would be guessing and checking on this to figure that out, and that's not going to work. So this is the ticket to doing that. Or you could have done the quadratic formula if you couldn't figure out the factoring piece. So that would work too, but it takes a lot longer, and more likely you could make a mistake. So, and that's how you do that. So the try it will be in the next video.